EFI Elevator Installation Guidelines Series. Use of Bluetooth module. First download 掌上墨宝 APP. Click on the Apply for More Permissions button to apply for permissions. Import 快意电梯股份有限公司. Click Confirm. After contacting our after-sales department for registration and confirmation, our company will proceed with the application. Click on this circular flooding window. Select M&K Bluetooth. Confirm that the flooding window is connected. Click here to start modifying the parameters. Click on Parameter Debugging to start the debugging process. Here begins the debugging interface.